Welcome to this professional session on MRA of neck vessels. Today we will explore the complete workflow from planning, protocol setup, to advanced post-processing techniques. Magnetic resonance angiography, or MRA, is a non-invasive imaging method that provides detailed visualization of vascular structures without ionizing radiation. Importance: MRA of neck vessels plays a crucial role in evaluating carotid and vertebral arteries. It helps in detecting stenosis, occlusion, aneurysm, and vascular malformations. Early and accurate diagnosis ensures proper management and reduces the risk of stroke. Planning. Planning is the most critical step for acquiring high-quality images. Start with localizer sequences in 3 planes: axial, sagittal, and coronal. Carefully align the imaging slab from the aortic arch up to the skull base. Ensure proper coverage of common carotid arteries, internal and external carotid arteries, vertebral arteries. Patient positioning should be comfortable and stable to avoid motion artifacts. Protocol setup. There are mainly 2 techniques used in MRA of neck vessels: time-of-flight MRA and contrast-enhanced MRA. Time-of-flight MRA relies on flow-related enhancement and does not require contrast. It is useful for patients where contrast is contraindicated. CE MRA provides better visualization and faster acquisition using gadolinium contrast. Typical parameters include thin slice thickness, high-resolution matrix, short TR and TE, proper flip angle optimization, and fat suppression techniques. Fat suppression techniques can be used to improve vessel visibility. Post-processing. Post-processing transforms raw data into clinically meaningful images. Key techniques include MIP, or maximum intensity projection. This highlights high-signal vascular structures and provides angiographic views. MPR, or multiplanar reconstruction, allows visualization in different planes for better anatomical understanding. VRT, or volume rendering technique, creates 3D images for detailed spatial visualization of vessels. Careful windowing and rotation help in identifying stenosis or abnormalities clearly. Tips and pitfalls. To achieve optimal results, avoid patient movement, ensure correct slab positioning, minimize flow artifacts, use proper timing in contrast studies. Always correlate with clinical findings for accurate diagnosis. Conclusion: MRA of neck vessels is a powerful, non-invasive imaging technique that plays a vital role in vascular diagnosis. With proper planning, optimized protocol, and advanced post-processing, we can achieve highly accurate and reliable results. Thank you for watching.